Here's the seasons to be jolly, fa la 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 la, la 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 la. Yes guys, it is finally the 1st of December. I can't believe how quick and slow 2020 has been because of the word I'm not allowed to say, otherwise I get demonetized. But apart from that, today is day 1 of the 25 days of suggestions. Now, I've actually already recorded this about 5 days ago, but actually my mum surprised me and she's actually buying me a second one, so why not actually open it here and wait until Christmas Day to get my second one just to keep in the package. But yep, today we'll be taking a closer look at the Disney Stores versions, Harvey Rodcap and George Newin. Don't know why I put my thumbs in the different places, but we both know which one is. But yeah, these are from Disney Pixar's Cars 3. These are the Disney Store bigger scale. As we can see, here's George Newin for scale, way much bigger in the box, and I will be opening this up today. My original review of this, I did say I wasn't going to be opening it up, well now I actually am. These are pullback cars, so we will test these at the end of the video too. Pretty cool. As you can see, pull back Diecast twin pack. On the side, we can see that it is Pull and Race Lightning McQueen. Of course, pretty cool. On the other side, we've got the same again, but with Cruz Ramirez. On the back, we've got Jackson Storm. Of course, not suitable for 3-year-olds and under. This pack costs £15.95 in Disney Store online, but currently right now I believe it is £12.76. So if you want to go ahead buy one, you can. But yeah, so I'll be right back with this 2-pack out of the package. We are now back, and if you're wondering, this is what it was keeping these down, these little cars pin thingies, which are pretty cool. So we'll keep that in the background for now, just because. And we're going to take a look at my least favourite one. Of course, both these are actually pretty cool, and I like both of them as much. But my least favourite is Harvey Rodcap. So we'll take a closer look at him. Of course, he was seen in, of course, Cars 3, zooming along the next gen with the next gens at Florida 500, and I believe he was the very next Piston Cup racer to get replaced, and right behind Jackson Storm and Lightning McQueen. So yeah. Anyways, there's his expression. There's his headlights there, pretty cool. On the hood it reads Easy Idle, one of my favourite Piston Cup sponsors. You can see the blue stripes coming down on his hood as well. There's his eyes. His number is 15. It used to be 51, sorry. But they used that for Christmas because of Doc's number. Roof flaps. No window bars, which is actually accurate to the Chinese version of Harvey, which I will show in a bit. I believe this is the incorrect spoiler, so don't know why they've done that. Sorry about that pause there, guys. Don't know what that was. Got Easy Idle here too, on the sides. Of course, on the side we've got Lightyear rims. Got Piston Cup Combustor Carbon Cyber. No Synergy sponsor for some reason. 15. Of course, no arrow, which I believe there isn't actually an arrow on the diecast to indicate to the pity where to lift him up. Exhaust pipes. There's the rubber tyres for the pullback. Fuel cap. And here's the back. 15. Rookie stripes. Easy Idle. Comparing it to the China release, which is the metallic version, we can see that the spoiler is different. Pretty cool. So that is Harvey Rodcap. We will now leave him in the background. And now we'll be taking a look at George Newin. Of course, here's his expression. Again, he was seen at mainly Florida. He was involved in that crash. Yeah, we'll not add pictures because no need to. He's the next gen leakless racer, which is one of my favourites. My second favourite racer. I'm actually glad Disney Store made this. It's pretty cool. Like the splat of leakless there. 52 on the hood. Would have been cool if they kept 51 for Easy Idle, because then it'd be 51, 52. Roof flaps. No window bars, which is actually inaccurate. As you can see on the diecast, there is window bars. Pretty cool. There's the spoiler that reads leakless. Here's the sides. No sponsors, which is actually accurate as you can see on the diecast. 52, this black spludge this time. This is the fuel cap, exhaust pipes. Here is the back. We can actually see that there is no rookie stripes this time, because this is a Disney Store release. This took the events after Cars 3. Again, pretty cool, we can see. Pretty cool, I like this release. And here is the base, and here's the base for Harvey, which I forgot to show. But yeah, so that is their diecasts and their releases. There is a Thailand version of Harvey, but it's inaccurate, I believe. There's also these mini versions, which we recently got George Newin, which I did a video on, and this Harvey Rodcap here, pretty cool. I'm here. Let me know what's your favourite version of Harvey, George Newin and Harvey Rodcap. Mine's the Mattel 155, and the same for that, but I like the Disney Store version too. But yeah, anyways, please make sure you are tuned in for day 2 of the 25 Days of Christmas, coming very soon on the channel. So yeah, of course, if you're new, please make sure you leave a like, dislike if you dislike, hit that bell notification button down below for day 2, and to the next one. Bye guys.